Students, now I am going to teach you can and could. Where we will use can. First, I will go step by step, you will follow it. Now, here is this use of can. Use of can. In Hindi we say, मैं जा सकता हूँ, I can go, I can play like this. There is so many expressions of can, but it is not limited one. It is not limited one. Now, can, to express ability, capacity or capability. Whenever we use can, that means capability. I am able to do this work. I am able to do this. I have a capacity of doing this work. मैं ये काम कर सकता हूँ, मेरा वो कैपेसिटी है. Now, I mean, here is this. Can you read Arabic? क्या आप अरबिक पढ़ सकते हैं? Can you read Arabic? Can you read Arabic? No. Yes. Answer यहाँ है. Can you read Arabic? Again the second sentence. I can study till late at night. I can study till late at night. मैं देर रात तक पढ़ सकता हूँ. I can study till late at night. मैं देर रात तक पढ़ सकता हूँ. Second, the mule can lift heavy loads. The mule, M-U-L-E. Suppose M-E, you should not say mole. It is mule. According to the pronunciation of English accent, it is called mule. The mule can lift heavy loads. खच्चर बहुत हेवी लोड्स उठा सकता है. द म्यूल कैन लिफ्ट हेवी लोड्स. अगेन वी कैन यूज कैन टू एक्सप्रेस परमिशन. इफ यू वुड लाइक टू टेक परमिशन फ्रॉम एनीवन or anyone give us permission to do something, then we can use can. Okay, now here is this. You can go only after you have finished your work. You can go. You can go. तुम जा सकते हो. You can go only after you have finished your work. अपना काम खत्म करके आप जा सकते हैं. It is the permission. I am giving to you the permission that after finishing this work, then you can go. You can go only after you have finished your work. Next, you can share the meal with me. You can share the meal with me. आप ये मील को मेरे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं. You can share the meal with me. आप मेरे साथ में मील शेयर कर सकते हैं. You can share the meal with me. Next use, to express impossibility. Impossibility ऐसा है. देखिए एक सेंटेंस. When can their glory fade? कब उनका शोहरत खत्म होगा? Never. When can their glory fade? उनका शोहरत कब खत्म होगा? उनका इज्जत सम्मान कब खत्म होगा? Never. ही जो महात्मा गांधी. When can their glory fade? यह है impossibility. Impossible. Their glory can never be fade. Now here is this. Can soul be imprisoned? Can soul be imprisoned? Can soul be imprisoned? Can soul be imprisoned? क्या हम आत्मा को कैद कर सकते हैं? Can soul be imprisoned? हम क्या आत्मा को कभी भी कैद कर सकते हैं? No, never. Impossibility. Impossible है. हम कभी आत्मा को कैद नहीं कर सकते. To make request, it is also peculiar use. ये भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग भी है. Because sometimes we use can for the request. As can I use your telephone? Can I use your telephone? Can I use your telephone? क्या मैं आपका टेलीफोन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? मैं इजाज़त भी चाहता हूँ, इधर रिक्वेस्ट भी करता हूँ। Can I use your telephone? कभी कभी बहुत पोलाइटली इस्तेमाल करने के लिए हम फिर क्या करते हैं? could का इस्तेमाल। Could I use your telephone? Could I use your pen? Could I use your copy? Like this, it is the polite expression. It is a request, but it's very polite whenever we say could. Here, can also be used for request. Now, first we learn over here use of can to express ability, capacity or capability. Again, second, to express permission. Third, to express impossibility. Four, to make requests. Sometimes we use empty use of the can. That is called I can work, I can teach, I can deliver a lecture. I can deliver the lecture. How is this? It is called the empty use. So many places we use can. Okay, now can already has finished. Again, I will teach you that is what could. Now I mop it up. Now I will teach you that is called the could. Could. Where you will use could. Use of could. How is the use of could? Use of could. First, as past tense of can in indirect speech. As past tense of can in indirect speech. हम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कैन का पास्ट टेंस कुड लिखते हैं और इसे बनाते भी हैं। जैसा देखिए, ही सेड दैट ही कुड सिंग अ सॉन्ग, ही सेड दैट ही कुड सिंग अ सॉन्ग। ये भी पास्ट में सेड और कुड भी पास्ट में। ही सेड दैट ही कुड सिंग अ सॉन्ग। नेक्स्ट वी यूज कुड फॉर द पोलाइट एक्सप्रेशन। पोलाइट एक्सप्रेशन, बहुत ही नरम एक्सप्रेशन के लिए हम इस्तेमाल कुड का भी करते हैं। नाउ हाउ इज दिस? कुड आई सी योर अम्ब्रेला? कुड आई सी योर अम्ब्रेला? कुड आई सी योर अम्ब्रेला? क्या मैं देख सकता हूँ? पोलाइटली कह रहे हैं कि मैं क्या देख सकता हूँ आपका ये छाते को? कुड आई सी योर अम्ब्रेला? कुड आई सी योर अम्ब्रेला? Could you come tomorrow? Could you come tomorrow? Could you come tomorrow? क्या कल आप आएंगे? मेहरबानी करके क्या कल आप आएंगे? Could you come tomorrow? Could you come tomorrow? Next, to express past ability. To express past ability. फिर हम past के ability को express करते हैं could से। देखिए, I could run for 5 miles when I was young. I could run. मैं दौड़ सकता था कितना? For 5 miles. 5 माइल। When I was young. जब मैं young था। I could run for 5 miles when I was young. ये भी हुआ। To express characteristics. To express characteristic फिर in past tense. Past tense के characteristics के लिए भी हम क्या कुड का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। जैसा फादर कुड बी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एट द टाइम, एट टाइम्स। बाप मेरे पिताजी बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट थे उस वक्त में। फादर कुड बी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एट द टाइम। आई कुड हैव नथिंग टू चेंज। आई कुड हैव नथिंग टू चेंज पास्ट में है। समटाइम वी यूज कुड फॉर द एम्प्टी यूज। एम्प्टी यूज देखो, sometime we use could for the empty use. Empty use. I could feel the touch of cold breeze. I could feel the touch of cold breeze. I could feel the touch of cold breeze. Now, here we have used in different way could. Remember, could is used in the widest sense, and it is very politely used over here. Here I have written here, that is called a request, to make polite request. Most of the time we use polite request, and in the past tense and past tense. So my dear student, first you write down all the expression, then you yourself use it at your home, or make a practice that will make you a good speaker. You should not fear where to use can or could. I already have told you the use of can and could. Okay, it is finished. Hi, watch and like it, subscribe it. Next video I will prepare day after tomorrow. Okay, thanks a lot. Enjoy yourself.